Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Delta SkyMiles card, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Delta Airlines website. Navigate to the SkyMiles section found in the menu. Locate the option for credit cards. Click on that option to view the different Delta SkyMiles card offerings. Choose the card that best suits your travel needs. Read through the card's benefits and features carefully. Once you've made your choice, click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to a secure application page. Begin filling out the required personal information. This includes your name, address, and contact details. Next, provide your social security number for identification purposes. Enter your date of birth to confirm your eligibility. You will also need to disclose your annual income. This information helps determine your eligibility for the card. After filling in all the required fields, review the information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, proceed to click the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your application is being processed. In some cases, you may receive an instant approval notification. If additional information is needed, be prepared to provide it promptly. Once approved, you will receive your Delta SkyMiles card in the mail. Familiarize yourself with the card's features and how to log into your SkyMiles account. This will allow you to start earning miles on your purchases immediately. Enjoy the benefits of your new Delta SkyMiles card as you travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.